With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Student, the question is a 4 ampere current carrying loop consists of 3 identical quarter circle of radius 5 cm lying in the positive quadrants of the xy, yz and zx plane with their centers at the origin joined together. Value of b at the origin is, students, let's take axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. So we can write this is x, this is y, and this is z-axis. And according to question, the current carrying loop of 3 identical quarter circle, that means in xy and in yz, as in this question it is given, and zx plane, and the radius is given 5 cm. So we have to find the value of magnetic field at this point. So we can write that magnetic field at center will be equal to bxy, that means magnetic field due to xy plane, and b y z, and similarly plus b z x vector. So students, we can take unit vectors. For in x direction is I cap, in y direction is j cap, and in z direction is k cap. So we can calculate dxy, which will be equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by r theta, and for x and y we will write k cap, and similarly for byz it will be equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi I by r theta, and for yz we will write it I cap, and similarly for bzx we will write it will be equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi I by r theta, and for this it will be j cap. So we can calculate and we can put the values in this equation. So we will get b will be equal to mu naught by 4 pi I upon r theta k cap plus mu naught upon 4 pi I by r theta I cap, and plus mu naught upon 4 pi I upon r theta j cap, and we can take common and arrange like this: mu naught upon 4 pi I by r theta, and it will be I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Now we can put the values. It will be equal to mu naught by 4 pi, and current is given. If we see in the question, the current is 4 ampere and the radius is 5 centimeter. So we can put the value in this equation. Current is 4 ampere and this will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 2, and angle theta will be pi by 2 because all the axes are perpendicular to each other. So we can write pi by 2, and I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So after simplification we can simplify this equation like this. So it will be equal to mu naught divided by 5 to the 10, 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So it will be equal to 10 mu naught I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So the answer of this question is option D, 10 mu naught I cap plus j cap plus k cap Tesla. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.